have given you some flashcards. So what you have to do, there is a word written on it. One by one you have to just read it. Let us start with one, ma'am.
C.
Yes.
8.
8.
8.
8.
C.
C.
1.
1.
1.
1.
Right.
Right. Okay. So we have different words here. So you can see that there is a similarity. We have the pair of words that have same sound. Okay. That is also 1 and that is 1. Okay. Let us make the pair. Come here. Stand up. And make pair of similar words that have the same sound.
8. Right.
I'm here.
Okay. C.
8.
1 and here we have
Right.
So these words have same sound but their meaning is different. So they are homophones. These words are called homophones. So I will start with the topic of homophones. Thank you. You can see. Our topic is homophones and common mistake. This is like simple topic for us, but it makes difficulty for the students when they are making sentences. Okay, so they know that we have the word, we are saying 1 for this and 1 for WON. Both are 1, but when it's the time to use it in sentence, there is difficulty. Like students say, I have 1 chocolate. Now there is confusion that whether she will use WON or ONE1. Okay, so meaning of homophones is clear, that the words that sounds the same but have different meanings and spellings. ठीक है, इनके spellings अलग हो सकते हैं, meaning अलग होगा, but जो उसको बोला जाएगा वो सेम तरीके से बोला जाएगा. हम इस तरह की हम एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं, लाइक हमने कुछ फ्लैश कार्ड्स लिए. इसके अलावा हम होमोफोन्स को करवाने के लिए और भी एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं, लाइक एक्शंस के साथ उनको शो करें. ठीक है, अब मैं आपको एक एक वर्ड दिखाऊंगी, आपको एक्शन करके दिखाना है. फर्स्ट वर्ड राइट. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट राइट. सो इससे क्या होगा, क्लियर हो जाएगा, मीनिंग क्लियर होगा, यूजेज क्लियर होगा इसका. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट सी. And next, C. Yeah, very good. C. Dear. Dear. This one. Okay. So such type of activities can be done. Another activity that we can do is, like, we can give flashcard to students like 1. Dear. Right. So now what we can do is that we have to just we can say any sentence, and whichever homophones will be used, the student will just raise hand and show the homophone. You can give a sentence on any of these homophones.
Using any word from these. I won the game.
Hooray! I won the game. So
You won.
yes, you won. Correct answer. Next sentence. Who want to give next sentence?
Sushma ma'am.
Sushma ma'am.
I have 1 storybook.
I have 1 storybook. Yes, very good. Correct answer.
Like
Yes, your answer is right.
तो पीछे से आएंगे ना.
Very good.
तैयारी करा देंगे.
Okay. You are very dear to me.
Class teacher की तैयारी.
Yes.
Class
So,
teacher क्या
such type of activities can be
Write
done in the
complete
class.
sentence.
Thanks
Yes.
to all
The
my
deer
dear
is in the
friends.
jungle.
Very good. So there are so many examples by which we can make homophones clear to students